In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass find and delete duplicate files from OneDrive with 2 easy methods. First off, managing your OneDrive storage efficiently is more important than ever, especially with the accumulation of files over time. Duplicate files can clutter your storage and make it harder to find what you really need. So, let's dive right into the steps on how to clean up those duplicates. Our first method involves using the OneDrive interface directly. Begin by opening OneDrive on your computer or accessing it through your preferred web browser. Once inside, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with its layout. Now, in the search bar, which you'll find at the top of the screen, type in terms you suspect could lead you to duplicates. Common terms include copy, backup, or any file extension you frequently use like JPEG or PDF. As you search, files matching those terms will appear. It's then a simple matter of organizing these files by name or date created. You can do this by clicking on the column headers, bringing similar files together for easier identification. After spotting those duplicates, it's time to say goodbye to them. Select the files you wish to delete by clicking the checkbox next to each file name. A pro tip here, holding down the Control key while selecting allows you to choose multiple files, making this task much quicker. Once your duplicates are selected, look for the delete icon, usually resembling a small trash bin, often located on the top menu of the OneDrive interface. Clicking this will move them to the recycle bin. Remember to empty the recycle bin afterwards to permanently remove those files and free up space. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves using third-party software to find and delete duplicates in one batch. There are several reliable programs available, and one popular choice is Duplicate Cleaner. Start by downloading and installing the software onto your computer, following the prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, open the program and greet it with the OneDrive folder as the area of interest. Look for options like Scan for duplicate files and ensure your OneDrive directory is selected as the target location. Next, press the Scan button, and the software will begin searching through your files for duplicates. During this process, you'll see a list display the duplicates found. From this list, you can effortlessly select all duplicates, if you want, or selectively keep particular files you know you need. Once you've chosen the files you wish to delete, simply invoke the delete command, offered within the program. This action will remove the found duplicates from your OneDrive, resulting in a more organized and less cluttered environment. There you have it, 2 straightforward ways to clean up duplicate files from OneDrive. Whether you're manually sorting through files or using a dedicated tool, keeping your OneDrive tidy is now a task you can handle smoothly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!